Welcome to Learning Python for Data Analysis and Visualization course. So first, let's understand what are the key learnings from this course. You will understand data analysis using Python. You will understand data exploration and manipulation using various libraries and packages available in Python. And of course, you will understand data visualization tools and libraries with the help of real-life examples. So let me tell you the overview of the course. The section 1 and 2 helps you to get started with Python from the installation to running the Python program in your machines. That is setting up Python environment. Section 3 will help you in data analysis using Python. So in section 3, we will understand how to actually work with data analysis tools like pandas and do data analysis and manipulation using pandas in Python and various functions and methods available at our disposal. Section 4 is all about file handling. Now, this section helps you to handle various files in Python like CSV, JSON, HTML, and how do you work with these files. Moving on further, we have got section 5 and section 7 here. Oops, I missed section 6. Well, it will be covered just in a while. Section 5 and section 7 deals with data visualization. Now, what is the difference? Section 5 specifically deals with the Seaborn library in Python, and we will be covering it with a mini project, which will help you understand and deepen your understanding of data visualization and its various plots. Also, section 7 deals with data visualization, but here's a difference. We're using a different library in Python, which is Plotly, and this is really very powerful library. It is a third-party library which you have to be imported, and we will learn how to import it, plot various animations in Python, and make our graph really interactive with the help of the packages and modules available in this library. Don't worry if I'm talking something which is getting out of your head, but this will be made very clear when you enroll in the course. Section 6 is all about major project. So now coming to the missed part. Now, this major project is something which will consolidate all your learnings that we have learned throughout the course and put it into practice. This will also cover some of the concepts which are not being covered because it is a vast course, and I have tried to cover up major things which are needed for data science and data analyst career for you all. The next section is more resources section, wherein you would find the way forward, what next to do after this course. And also we have added bonus lecture here, which will help you to continue your learning journey and experience. And I also want to tell you who this course is for. So this is open for all who wants to learn Python programming, enter into the field of data science or data analyst, then this course is for you. Also, if you want to revise or brush up your concepts of Python, then yes, this course is for you. And I'm really looking forward to see you in the course. Thank you. And the link is given in the description. Do join the course now.